Mess, mess, more mess. I don't even want to start. A lot of things to tackle today. So much paper waste. A lot of laundry. Dishes that need to be cleaned. Get rid of things. Grab myself a healthy dinner and I'm so excited, but the timing couldn't be better. Good morning you guys, happy Friday and welcome back to the vlog. The new coffee machine just hits different. You can probably tell from the lighting that today is a very dark, gray and moody Friday. It's pouring rain outside and I don't want to leave my house, which is the perfect excuse to get my life back on track, to organize my apartment and just be productive. So the most successful way for me to be productive is writing down a good old to-do list, but since I'm not a paper and pen girl anymore, I will do it the digital way, starting with the most obvious thing, which is spring cleaning. Organize the makeup because I have so much stuff. Then I need to do all of the dishes. I need to load and unload the dishwasher. There's a lot of laundry going on and I also want to strip the bed. I actually need to get rid of a lot of paper and plastic waste. After a very long and productive day, I want to reward myself with a little self-care routine and I want to go to bed early to have a good night's sleep and also read a little bit in a motivating book. If you want to be productive as well, grab your favorite beverage, place your phone, iPad, laptop or whatever you're watching this on the side and let's be productive together. Cheers! But first things first, the hair is not in the way anymore. Since the whole apartment is in desperate need of a spring clean, I thought I'd start with my favorite room because I'm most likely to finish this first, and that's why we're starting with loading and unloading the dishwasher. Maybe you can already hear it in the background, but the dishwasher is running, which means I have unloaded it and loaded it again and also have cleaned the sink. By this point it's currently 10:50 and I feel very much accomplished because I already cleaned the whole entire kitchen, which feels very good. But since I have tackled my first task of the day, which I already, teased to you that this will help my mental state of cleaning and organizing, it already worked and now I'm very motivated to do the rest. Honestly, crossing off things off your to-do list is such a satisfying and rewarding thing. So kitchen cleaning, done. Next up, doing laundry. In my gym and diet game as well, I decided to make a more healthier breakfast today, consisting of strawberry soy yogurt topped with oats and fresh strawberries. And I have to say, for me it's a snowball effect right now because I feel so accomplished that I have tackled the kitchen and also the laundry. I'm making a healthy breakfast right now and I think I am able to fold up the laundry later, which is insane for me. I will eat this now and then we continue to be productive. Welcome to my dressing room. I don't know if you guys have seen this room in its full grace. Walk-in closet, it's 4.7 meters long, I think so. And this side of the room is beautiful, it's organized. But the other side of the room where the camera is looking horrible. It's piling up here as well, and that's what I'm doing right now. So this is the current situation. We have at least 2 loads of laundry which I need to fold away.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, hello.
So I'm back in the kitchen for a quick coffee break. The washing machine is still running in the background, so don't mind the noise. I made myself a quick soy vanilla latte, and I'm currently cleaning this little milk frother can so it won't get moldy. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I will take my coffee back to the living room, and then I will fold my laundry. Also, coffee mug bigger than my future. I also wanted to take a moment and appreciate how good I get at vlogging, because I couldn't even talk in English to the camera without being so nervous. And now I'm sitting here and I'm just talking casually, and I feel so much more comfortable in front of the camera. It's actually a small milestone for me, and I hope that you enjoy the vlogs.
Twist and top up at the pop-up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips, I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism.
So it's quite a while later, I managed to get all of the laundry folded and put away, which I'm very proud of. I'm kind of tired because I also started a new laundry cycle, and now the washing machine is finally empty again, so we can start stripping the sheets, washing the bedding, and then I will spray some lavender mist on the sheets and they will smell so good. And I'm quite in a hurry because today is a public holiday here in Germany. It's Easter Friday and the gyms are closing earlier than usual, so I want to finish everything before the gym closes, and if I don't make it in time, then I will head to my workout tomorrow morning.
I'm about to cop another pendant with my last bet. How you got all them opinions with no assets? But it's cool, I guess I can be the bad guy. Cause they eatin' top ramen and not pad thai. I gives no f***, I need my bucks, I thought I told them that. They ain't helping, but they act.
So I made a game plan for this bathroom. I will use different piles to sort out my products. I will have a key pile, I will have a expired or damaged pile with products that I will definitely throw away. Then I want to make a pile with new products that are unopened that I can give to family, friends. So to be honest, this is the stuff that we are actually dealing with right now. A lot of makeup stuff that has no place at all. I think 45 perfumes, a few of them are already gone. I have to sort out through all of the stuff, and then I need to clean the rest of my apartment, wipe everything down, clean the toilet, clean the shower, and sort out stuff. I love fragrances, I love to collect them, I love to wear them. So I will do a quick rundown of all of the fragrances. Libre by YSL. I think it's time to let it go. Atelier des Fleurs, Jasmine Sambac. I will definitely keep that one. 2 fragrances by Galant. Olia Vetiva is sadly fully gone, and Mandarin Basilic is almost full, so that's why I keep this one, and this one sadly needs to go. Princess by Kilian, people recognize it because the smell is so iconic, but sadly this one is also empty and I need to get rid of it. Si Passione perfume and also the Si Passione Eclat perfume, and both of them are stunning, so that's why I keep them. So as you can see, I was able to get rid of a few perfumes, which is very nice because that means I will have more space on my dresser. Also, there are a few perfumes that I will give to my family, and here are the ones that I will definitely keep. Honestly, this is a lot of stuff that I get rid of. I'm proud. So the dresser looks way better already, and what I do now is I will pack up my everyday makeup stuff and put it away. has been a quite successful and productive day so far. I sorted out makeup, fragrance and skincare products, so that is a lot that I actually did today. And I have to be honest guys, this whole spring cleaning vibe took way longer than I anticipated, but there's still the part on the inside that I wanted to fix as well to get back on track. So the plan for now is waiting for the dryer to be done and putting the bedding back into the bed, get rid of my paper waste and my plastic waste, and after that I actually want to take time for myself and start to unwind, maybe have a nice beverage or dinner. I want to do a little self-care routine. Hello you guys, I hope you're still doing well. Look at her, she's dressed and out of her pajamas because for my last to-do I actually need to leave the house and I wanted to look somewhat presentable, and I'm about to put away all of the paper waste and the plastic waste. Let's get this last thing done. I'm just back upstairs. Had to go up and down a couple of times to bring everything away. But as you can see, my hallway is clean except the air fryer, which I need to put away in a minute. And that means I have done everything that I wanted today. I just need to finish making the bed and then we're done. Putting on the bedding is the last part, but I'm actually procrastinating because I'm so tired. I am hustling since 8, so that is why I just need a quick minute. But if you ask me, I deserve something to eat from a nice place because I did so good today. So we're back at the spot where it all started this morning. I am officially done with everything and I feel so good and so accomplished. It's currently 7:16, so I finished everything in about 11 hours with filming and with taking breaks, and I will dive into the food delivering app right now. I don't crave anything special, so surprise myself with something nice, and then I will do my well-deserved self-care routine. So I got myself a bottle of Coke Light because I'm addicted, and I went to Dean & David to grab myself a healthy dinner, and I got their salmon teriyaki wrap. As you can see, it looks so freaking delicious and I can't wait to unwind now and eat my yummy dinner. Also, Tara uploaded a new video called Leaving LA, let's talk about it, and I'm so excited, but the timing couldn't be better because I will enjoy my nice wrap from Dean & David now, and I will watch Tara's video immediately.
I don't know, 124 hours. 2 o'clock, but I have to take care of some.
So I was thinking about doing a little skincare routine and just treating myself tonight. So skincare routine is officially done, and as you can see, I look like a glazed donut. And the game plan for now is actually getting ready for bed because I want to implement more healthy habits into my routines, and one of them is getting to bed earlier and also staying off my phone at least 30 minutes to an hour before I actually want to sleep.
Dream on, our troubles will soon be gone. Hold on, our future has just begun. We go on and on.
This editing will take so long. I'm so happy that I'm back on YouTube, and I hope you enjoyed these types of videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more vlogs like this. I will order food right now, transfer all of the footage.